does the Smart View OLED case fit the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? So let's start the video. First of all, insert cover. So after fit cover, you will see clock is showing here. So after watching clock, so press side button work properly. Yes, side button is work properly. So check volume up and down button work properly. So after check volume up and down button, you will see volume up and down button is work properly. So after the process, check charging cable insert easily. So after checking, you will see charging cable is insert easily. So after the process, so that's how you can smart view filter, smart view violet case fit on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.